Also this morning, an open discussion trying to unite people against hatred. Dozens of people from many different faiths gathered yesterday in Baltimore County to talk about the recent presidential election. There was discussions about race, politics, and prejudice. Faiths including Islam, Catholicism, all participating. Organizers say while there is a climate of divisiveness, they believe the only way to stop that is by coming together.
There's obviously very clear, situation right now where there has been a lot of negativity. But America has spoken. America has chosen Donald Trump to be his president, and our faith teaches us to obey those who are in authority among you.
Organizers say they hope that meeting is the start of an ongoing discussion within many different congregations.